Hello, my dear children. Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we will discuss about the exercise 4.3, that word problems. Okay. Question number 6 to 10. Very important session it is. So, please listen properly, understand well. Okay. So, we can start our today's session now. Here, exercise 4.3, sixth question. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. In the question it is given that diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. So, the shorter side is independent, but the diagonal and longer side are dependent. Okay, they depend the shorter side. So, the independent variable or independent term we can take as x. So, here let the shorter side of the rectangle equal x meter. So, we can draw the figure that is a rectangular field with shorter side that we can take as breadth as x meter. Now, what will be the length? Longer side, that will be 30 meter more than the shorter side, that is given in the question. So, here the length we can take as x plus 30 meter. Then the diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So, diagonal will be x plus 60 meter. Okay, now we have the figure. It is a rectangle with the breadth x meter, length x plus 30 meter and the diagonal x plus 60 meter. Clear? Then here we need to find the sides of the field. That means the shorter side and the longer side. According to the question, which all measures we need to find, that only we need to find. Here they didn't ask to find diagonal, so we need to find only the shorter side and the longer side. That means we should find the value of x, then we should find x plus 30. Okay, that is our aim. Here what is given? According to the question, there is given the length, breadth and diagonal of a rectangle. So, when we consider this figure, then you should understand that it is a rectangle ABCD with length AB, breadth BC and the diagonal AC. Okay, then when we consider triangle ABC, it is a right triangle since all the angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. Okay, then what is the relation between the sides of a right triangle? What is the relation? Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? By Pythagoras theorem, what we can say? In a right triangle, hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. Here, which side is hypotenuse? Angle B is 90 degree in triangle ABC. So, the side opposite to right angle. That means here AC is the hypotenuse. Clear? Then we can write the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. That is x plus 60 whole square equal x plus 30 whole square plus x square. X plus 30 whole square plus x square. Then we can expand the brackets. On LHS, x plus 60 whole square is there. That we can expand by using a plus b the whole square. What is in the place of a here? X. What is in the place of b? 60. So what we will get? X square plus 2 into 60 into x. That will be 120x. Then 60 square, that is equal 3600. That is equal, then we should expand right side too. X plus 30 whole square we can expand by using the identity a plus b the whole square. So what we will get? X square plus 2 into 30 into x, that means 60x plus 30 square, that is 900. Then plus 1x square is also there, that we can write. Clear? Then we can transpose all the terms to LHS. Before that, in this equation, x square plus 120x plus 3600 equal x square plus 60x plus 900 plus x square. 1x square is common, isn't it? So we can cut 1x square from LHS and from RHS. Then which is remaining? On RHS 1x square is remaining. Clear? Then on RHS 60x is there. Then from LHS we can transpose 120x. Then it will be minus 120x. Then what we will get? Minus 60x. Then on RHS there will be 900. So we can transpose 3600 from LHS to the RHS. Then 900 minus 3600 become negative 2700. So the equation will be x square minus 60x minus 2700 equal 0. Okay. Then we can do the which method? Any method you can do, but here I use quadratic formula. Okay. So here what is A? A equal 1, B equal negative 60, C equal negative 2700. Okay. Then first we should find the value of discriminant. That is D equal B square minus 4AC. So B square means what? Negative 60 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 2700. So negative 60 square will be what? Positive 3600. Then minus 4 into 1 into negative 2700 become what? Plus 10,800. So 3600 plus 10,800 equal what? 14,400. 14400. It is greater than 0. So we can understand that distinct real roots. 2 distinct real roots will be there. Okay. So they will be what? X equal negative b plus root d by 2a or x equal negative b minus root d by 2a. So here 60 plus root 14,400 by 2. 14,400. What is the root of 14,400? 144's root is 12. 2 zeros are there. So its square root will be only 1 0. So 120 is the square root of 14,400. So here we get 60 plus 120 by 2. 60 plus 120 is 180. 180 by 2 is 90. So here we get one of the value as 90. Then other root 60 minus 120 by 2. That is negative 60 by 2. That is equal negative 30. Here we get two roots that are 90 or negative 30. 90 or negative 30. Here we took x as the breadth, shorter side. The measure should be positive. So here x equal negative 30 we can reject. So here the acceptable value is x equal 90. That means here the length of the shorter side is 90 meter. Then the longer side is what? X plus 30. That is equal 90 plus 30. That is 120 meter. So the measures of the sides of the rectangles are length 120 meter and breadth 90 meter. Okay, the longer side 120 meter and the shorter side 90 meter. Bird problems you should conclude in words itself. Bird problems you should conclude in words. So you can write the answer in words. Here the longer side of the rectangular field is equal 120 meter and the shorter side of the rectangular field is 90 meter.